You're gonna get shot!
Shoot me! You're not...
3 SAPD police officers respond to a call about a woman cutting wires to a fire alarm system in her building. As officers accost her, the woman locks her door, and officers try to force their way inside the house. The woman throws a hammer at the officers, breaking a glass window. Then something very tragic happens.
Hey, lady, get over here. Get over here. You're gonna get shot!
Shoot me! You're not gonna work!
Door!
No!
Hey!
Hey, hold on.
You ain't got no work!
Let's go. Move. Go, get him. Hey, watch out.
Hey, watch out! Hey!
Back up!
Hold on.
You ain't got no work!
Oh, okay, watch out. Move. Watch out. Go, get him. Hey, watch out.
Hey, watch
Hey, so if we have all this evidence,
Hold on. B. Hold on.
You ain't got no work!
Go, get him. Hey, watch out.
Hey, watch out! Hey!
Back up!
Hold on.
You ain't got no work!
Go, get him. Hey, watch out.
Hey, watch out! Hey!
Back up!
The woman died at the scene. The 3 officers involved in the shooting have been charged with murder.